Today we will start remaining topics of the nervous system: peripheral nerve, spinal nerve, nerve fiber, and the autonomic nervous system. First is the peripheral nerve. Peripheral nerve connect the CNS to the limbs and the organ. This peripheral nerve is not protected by the vertebral column and the skull, and it divided into two parts: somatic and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system is voluntary transmit signal from senses, and autonomic nervous system is involuntary, means it controls heart rate, digestive system is an example. We will see detail about the peripheral nerve. Nervous system is made up of two parts: central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system contains of nerve and ganglia outside the brain and spinal cord. The main function of the PNS is to connect the CNS to the limbs and organ, essentially serving as a relay between the brain and spinal cord and the rest of the body. Unlike the CNS, the PNS is not protected by the vertebral column and skull or by blood-brain barrier, which leaves it exposed to toxin and mechanical injuries. Means peripheral nerves is the part of the central nervous is a part of the nervous system and not protected by the vertebral column and skull, and also blood brain barrier is also not available at that peripheral nervous system. Then structure: the peripheral nervous system is divided into the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system is under voluntary control and transmits signal from the brain to the end organ such as muscles. Sensory nervous system is a part of the somatic nervous system and transmits signal from the senses such as taste and touch to the spinal cord and brain, and according to sensation activity are done. And second is the autonomic nervous system. This one, autonomic nervous system, is a self-regulating system which influences the function of organ outside voluntary control such as heart rate or the function of the digestive system. Main difference between the somatic and autonomic is somatic is the voluntary, and we can do action with the help of our wish, and autonomic nervous system is the involuntary. Example is heart rate, digestive system, pupillary actions, etc. Then second one is the spinal nerve, is a mixed nerve. Spinal nerve is a mixed nerve which carries motor, sensory and autonomic signal between the spinal cord and the body. It have 31 pairs of spinal nerves, 8 pairs of cervical nerve, 12 pairs of thoracic nerve, 5 pairs of the lumbar nerve, 5 pairs of the sacral nerve, and 1 pair of the coccygeal nerve. We can see this diagram. This is a spinal cord, this is a dorsal root, this is a ventral root, and between this spinal cord are run. This is a dorsal ramus, ventral ramus, white ramus, and the gray ramus. We will see in detail about that structure. Each spinal nerve is a mixed nerve from the combination of nerve fiber from its dorsal and ventral root. Dorsal root is the afferent sensory root and carries, this is a dorsal root, it carries sensory information to the brain, and ventral root, this is a ventral root, carries motor information from the brain. Dorsal root carries information to the brain, and this ventral root carries information from the brain outside the vertebral column. Then nerve divided into two branches, the dorsal ramus and the ventral ramus contains nerve that serves posterior portion of the trunk, and ventral ramus contains nerve that serve the remaining anterior part of the trunk and upper and lower limb. Function is to receive sensory information and activity of trunk and limb regulated. This is the spinal nerve. We can see the diagram of the spinal nerve. It has dorsal root, ventral root, gray ramus, white ramus. dorsal ramus and the ventral ramus. Then we move towards the nerve fiber. Nerve fiber means axon of a neuron. Nerve fiber is a long slender projection of nerve cell. Nerve fiber is classed into three groups: A, B and C nerve fiber. A and B are myelinated. Myelinated means covered, and C are unmyelinated. This group include both sensory and motor fibers. Nerve fiber is the axon of neuron. A bundle of many such fiber make a nerve. Nerve fiber means axon of a neuron. A nerve is formed of a bundle of many such fiber with their sheath. Is a long slender projection of nerve fiber, projection of nerve cell or neuron in vertebrates that typically conduct electrical impulses known as action potentials away from the nerve cell body. Nerve fiber are classed into three types: group A nerve fiber, group B nerve fiber and group C nerve fiber. Group A and B are myelinated and group C are unmyelinated. This group include both sensory fiber and motor fiber. Nerve fiber is the axon of neuron, and a bundle of many such fiber make a nerve. Then function of the nerve fiber. The blood barrier is to carry impulses from the brain. Then autonomic nervous system is called ANS. In short form we can call it ANS. The ANS is a division of the peripheral nervous system that supplies the function of integral organ, bodily function regulation, heart rate, digestion, pupillary action. Three branches: sympathetic, parasympathetic and enteric nervous system. ANS is a division of the peripheral nervous system that supplies smooth muscle and glands. ANS supplies smooth muscle and gland that influence the function of integral organ. The ANS is a control system that acts largely unconsciously and regulates bodily functions such as heart rate, digestion, respiratory rate, pupillary response, urination, sexual arousal. This system is the primary mechanism in control of the fight or flight response. The autonomic nervous system is regulated by integrated reflexes through the brainstem to the spinal cord and organs. Autonomic functions are like this: control of respiration, reflex action, coughing, sneezing, swallowing, vomiting. Autonomic nervous system has three branches: sympathetic nervous system, parasympathetic nervous system and the enteric nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system is often considered the fight or flight system, while the parasympathetic nervous system is often considered the rest and digest system or feed and breed system. In many cases, both of these systems have opposite actions, where one system activates a physiological response and other inhibit it. We will repeat again these four topics. First is the peripheral nerve, second is the spinal nerve, third is the nerve fiber, and last is the autonomic nervous system. First, peripheral nerve. It connects CNS to the limbs and organ, not protected by the vertebral column and skull, divided into somatic and autonomic nervous system. Somatic nervous system is voluntary, transmits signal from senses. Autonomic nervous system is involuntary. It controls heart rate, digestive system. Then spinal nerve is a mixed nerve which carries motor, sensory and autonomic signal between the spinal cord and the body. It has 31 pair of the spinal nerve, 8 pair of cervical nerve, 12 pair of the thoracic nerve, 5 pair of the lumbar nerve, 5 pair of the sacral nerve and 1 pair of the coccygeal nerve. We can see the diagram of the spinal nerve. This is a vertebral column, dorsal root, ventral root. In between the spinal nerve is running gray ramus, white ramus, dorsal ramus and the ventral ramus. Then nerve fiber. Nerve fiber is the axon of a neuron. Nerve fiber is a long slender projection of nerve cells. Nerve fiber classed into three groups A, B and C nerve fiber. A and B are myelinated and C are unmyelinated. This group includes both sensory and motor fibers. Then nerve fiber is the axon of neuron. A bundle of many such fiber make a nerve. Then autonomic nervous system. The ANS is division of the peripheral nervous system that supplies the function of integral organ, bodily function regulation, heart rate, digestion and pupillary functions. Three branches: sympathetic, parasympathetic and enteric nervous system. Sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, both are the system have opposite action, where one system activate a physiological response and the other inhibit it. This is all about our 9th chapter, nervous system. If any query, you all can message me on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.